Hello everyone, my name is Thảo. Today I will talk about the fish is different. In the picture 1, the girl is playing with teddy bear, but in the picture 2, the girl is playing with the ball. In the picture 1, there are three apples, but in the picture 2 is 4 apples. In the picture 1 is the parrot is on the tree, but in the picture 2 it isn't not the parrot. In the picture 1 is the cat is playing with the ball, but in the picture 2 the cat is sitting. In the picture 1 the boy is eating the ice cream, but in the picture 2 the boy is eating the cake. Goodbye everyone.